Cavemen once think trade simple. Me give shiny rock, you give mango, everybody go home full. But then me hear story from cousin who tried trade bananas to faraway icy tribe. He pack 50 banana bunches, tie them to yak, travel 40 days across mud, snow, and confusing borderlines. Finally reach icy land. But guards say, you want trade bananas? That be 400% tax. 400% banana cost more than yak meat dipped in gold. Cousin cry. His bananas rot in customs tent. He returned with empty yak and broken spirit. Then strange thing happen. Cousin tell story to village. Some elders say, take this to WTO. Me think they mean walk to Fire Mountain and scream at moon. But no, they file complaint. Turn out WTO has system where tribe can say, hey, that banana tax not fair. Other tribe must explain why they behave like greedy crocodile. If no good reason, WTO say stop it, and tribe must stop or get punished with their own taxes. Cousin's case become famous. Banana war go down in history. WTO make icy tribe lower tax, other tribes cheer. Caveman realized WTO like big judge in sky, but instead of thunder, it used paperwork. Some tribes worship WTO like fire god. Others fear it, say it protect rich tribes more than poor ones. Me not sure yet. It like magic fire, can cook food, can burn whole hut. But one thing clear, people obsessed with it because if you win in WTO, you no need real war. You just win with argument and fancy scroll. That powerful magic. So Caveman get big idea. Why only rich tribes make rule? Why not me create better trade club, fair, friendly, and full of mango? Me call it GLOGO, Global Logical Organization. Me build trade tent in center of village. Invite nearby tribes with letter written on dried bark. Come trade, bring fish, bring wool, bring peace. Me sit in middle of tent, wear fur robe, hold gavel made from mammoth bone, feel powerful, ready to settle trade fights like wise owl. First day, two tribes come argue over sea salt. Cavemen bang gavel, say share salt, be kind, they nod, cavemen proud. Second day, another tribe come, wanna sell glass beads, me say yes. They hug cavemen, GLOGO growing. Then disaster. Fish tribe arrive, they angry, say, why we no get invite, you let bead tribe in but ignore fish. Me stutter, say me forgot, me busy fixing roof, they no laugh. Next day, rich silk tribe show up and say, your trade tent no follow WTO rules. Me confused. Say, but me have good heart. They say heart no enough. Where your tariffs, your access schedule, your banana clause. Caveman heartbreak. Whole tent fall apart. Tribes leave. One take my gavel. At home, wife throw soup at me. You know include small tribes, you know listen. You build big tent but leave out door for neighbors. Me sit in ashes of dream. Realize, trade not just about rules, it about trust, inclusion, and listening. Me too excited, forgot the hard parts. That day, me promise self, next time cavemen try trade, me start by learning real system, not just yelling be fair. After GLOGO tent collapse like overcooked stew, cavemen go to city library. Ask for scrolls on how tribes trade without throwing spears. Librarian give caveman pile so big it crushed toes. These scrolls full of words like sanitary and phytosanitary measures, most favored nation, tariff binding commitments. Cavemen think they sound like dark forest spells. But deeper cavemen read, clearer it become. WTO not just talking circle, it run on giant rule scroll signed by all tribes. These rules say things like, no treat foreign banana worse than local banana. You can protect tribe from poisoned goat milk, but not just because you jealous. If you promise low tax, no suddenly change when tribe arrive with goods. This called transparency. Cavemen think mean clear water, but no. No surprise spear in back. Then cavemen find story. Small sugar tribe, name start with B. Use WTO rule to beat big metal tribe, start with U. Big tribe try cheat on rule. Small tribe point at rulebook and say, WTO say no. WTO judge agree. Big tribe have to back down. Small tribe win with scroll, not sword. Caveman shocked. Before he think only big tribe win, but if small tribe know rules, they can outsmart big ones, like rabbit tricking lion. So modern trick is, study the scrolls. Because in WTO world, knowledge is weapon and confusion is tax. Now caveman walk around holding WTO agreement like it's sacred club. Wife say you look ridiculous. Cavemen say me look ready. Okay, so cavemen now know rule scroll powerful. But what happened when two tribes read same scroll but scream different meaning? That where WTO dispute settlement body come in. Me call it the trade fight pit. Me hear story from smart Taylor tribe. They sell silk shirts to Sand tribe, but Sand tribe say these shirts made with forbidden snail dye, so they block shipment. Taylor tribe furious. They say that no fair. You just want sell your ugly beige shirts instead. They drag fight to WTO pit. Inside, no fists, no mammoth club, just people in suits using 87-page documents and phrases like non-tariff barrier under SPS Annex B. Caveman watch first case. Look like this. One side say your tax on tuna unfair, other side say but your tuna fish too happy, make our fish look sad. Panel of WTO elders go, let us investigate sadness of fish. 8 years later, yes, 8 winners pass. Panel decide, happy tuna okay, tax unfair. Loser tribe must change rule or pay price. Cavemen blink. 8 years, me could raise baby yak in that time. But still, it work. Instead of war, tribe use words, scrolls, evidence, even appeals. WTO act like courtroom, not battleground. Power of this trick? You don't need army, just good lawyer with patience of turtle. Some tribes abuse it, file cases just to annoy, some ignore ruling, but many follow because they know if you break rules today, you be target tomorrow. Cavemen realize joining trade pit better than throwing spear. So now me prepare. If next time cousin's banana blocked again, caveman brings scroll, not sword. One day, caveman stumble into strange meeting inside dark hut. Air smell like nervous sweat and bitter tea. Around fire, hundreds of tribe elders sit in circle, each holding scroll, all shouting, "We want fair price for cotton. Lower your cow tax. Open your rice market or we stop your electronics." Me whisper to guard, "What this?" He grunt, "Doha round. Been going since your great-granduncle still hunt dodo." Caveman eyes widen. Same meeting for over 20 years? No trade, no war, just long yelling? Turns out, every few moons, WTO tries big negotiation round where all tribes agree on new global trade deals. Like who lower taxes, who protect what goods, what helps small tribes catch up. But this no small task. Rich tribes say we want to sell medicine and banking. Poor tribes say we just want to sell beans and shirts. Middle tribes say we confused, please pass water. No one agree. WTO say, okay, let's make deal. But deal need every tribe to say yes. Just one tribe say no, whole thing stop. It like wedding where 164 grooms must all love same bride. Caveman sit there, feel despair. Is this progress? He ask elder. Elder say sometimes yelling is progress, talking stops spears. So modern trick is, join WTO rounds even if nothing happen, because if you're not there, others carve deal without you. You end up with worst goat, highest tax, smallest seat. Even if deal move like injured sloth, it still move. Caveman leave dark hut with sore ears, deeper wisdom. Tribe power not just in army or scroll, but in showing up and arguing well. After all the scrolls, the shouting, the gavel dreams, and the rotting bananas, caveman sit alone by fire. Watch sparks fly up, think long. What make trade work, he wonder. Is it just paper scrolls, shiny WTO building, trade pit courtroom? No. Caveman remember time he trade yak cheese with mountain tribe, no rules, no paperwork, just mutual trust. They shook hands, smiled, shared fire, cheese was good, so was peace. Then Caveman remember big trade fight between two rich tribes. Both followed every WTO rule, every scroll signed. Still they cheat, block, lie, punish. Trust gone. Even scrolls no fix that. So now Cavemen understand. WTO not magic, not good or bad, it mirror. If tribe honest, WTO help them grow. If tribe greedy, WTO just become tool for power games, like handing sword to toddler. WTO can guide, but it cannot change heart of tribe. Real trade not start in Geneva, it start in soul. Trust is real currency. Respect is real foundation. Scrolls help, but without honor, you're just playing game with poisoned fruit. So caveman wisdom is simple. If your tribe lie, no treaty save you. If your tribe fair, you trade even without treaty. WTO work best when tribes already want peace. Me still confused by tariffs, still can't spell phytosanitary. But now me know, true wealth not in goods, but in good trade. That worth more than all bananas in world. Now cavemen sit by real fire, belly full, brain tired, heart wiser. He look at WTO and think this thing it like fire. Fire can cook food, warm cave, light dark. But fire can also burn hut, scorch earth, blind eyes if you stare too close. Same with WTO. When used right, WTO stop wars, lift poor tribes, help small seller reach faraway cave with simple fish or hand-woven cloth. But when abused, when rich tribes twist rules, when power used to trap instead of free, WTO become flame out of control. Cavemen see both. WTO help cousin win banana fight, but WTO also used by big tribes to block little ones with fancy words and hidden loopholes. So final thought, WTO is tool, not God, not villain, tool, like spear or wheel or social media comment section. You use it well, your tribe rise, you use it wrong, your beard catch fire. WTO not replace human spirit, it reflect it. If world filled with greed, WTO be greedy. If world filled with fairness, WTO will be fair. Cavemen now know, before you fix world trade, you must first fix tribe heart. So if you ever feel confused why mango cost more than mammoth, or why your tiny bead business trapped in customs cave, now you know. Blame paperwork, blame scrolls, maybe blame yourself for not learning WTO trick earlier. But no fear, Caveman here to help. If this tale warmed your fire or tickled your tusk, smash like button like rival tribe drum and poke the scribe stick before WTO charge tariff for free videos. Leave comment. What tribe are you from? What do you trade? What rule confuse you most? Next hunt, Caveman explain carbon credits or cryptocurrency, or why socks always vanish in cave wash basket. Until then, ooga booga.